Hey guys, welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. I am Reena and today I'm going to be showing you the best, super easy and one of my favorite comfort food of all time, Chipotle Bean Chili Recipe. So let's get started, but don't forget to subscribe and do hit that like button down below if you enjoy this recipe video. Now the first thing we're going to start with is chopping the vegetables. So start with onion. I'm going to take one medium-sized white onion and I'm going to roughly chop it. In this recipe, I'm going to use 3 cloves of fresh garlic. I'm going to finely mince it. You can use a couple of more cloves of garlic for a strong flavor. Let's roughly chop 1 whole bell pepper. You can also use colorful mini peppers if you like. And with this, I'm also going to chop 1 zucchini. Now for the base, you can surely use canned crushed tomatoes. That will work fine, but I'm gonna use 3 tomatoes in this chipotle bean chili. Cut into dices. And for tomato puree, I'm gonna use 2 tomatoes and puree it using a blender. I had some baby carrots in the refrigerator, which I'm gonna use instead of regular carrots. This is about 3/4 cups of chopped carrots. Here I have 3 types of beans, 1 can of pink beans, 1 can of black beans, and 1 can of dark kidney beans. You can substitute pink beans with garbanzo beans if you would like. You can also throw in some other vegetables like celery, sweet potatoes, also squash if you would like that. Now have the Instant Pot on saute mode and I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat up and add onions. Cook onions until it gets translucent. And then I'm going to add chopped carrots, bell pepper and zucchini. I'm going to give it a stir and let these veggies cook for about a couple of minutes. Now at this point, I'm going to add minced garlic. Hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out any new videos I post every week. And don't forget to hit that like button. For chili seasoning, add 3 teaspoons of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of paprika, or for more heat, you can surely add red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning or oregano, and 2 tablespoons of chipotle pepper in adobo sauce. You can find chipotle pepper in adobo sauce in international aisle in any grocery stores. Let's give this a good stir. Now add the diced tomatoes with beans and that tomato puree that we made from 2 tomatoes. With just half cup of water, you can absolutely substitute with vegetable broth if you want. Also don't forget to add salt. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of salt, or you can adjust it as per your taste. And I think I'm gonna need some more water. Here I'm gonna add about 1 cup of water. I don't like it very soupy, so this is the right consistency, but if you prefer, you can add a little bit more water as per your need. Let's close the Instant Pot and the air vent. Turn off the saute mode and put the Instant Pot on manual mode for 12 minutes. When the Instant Pot goes off, make sure to release the inbuilt pressure by opening the air vent and then open the lid. Looks like chipotle bean chili is done. As this chili sits for a long time, it's gonna become thicker. You can also freeze this chili for up to 4 months, and it's ready to go when you don't feel like cooking. Winter is the perfect time to enjoy this chipotle bean chili. Top it with some cheese, a gallop of sour cream, some sliced avocado, sprinkle some chopped green onion, and a lime slice on the side. Serve it hot and enjoy. I hope you like this video and do give this a try. Please don't forget to subscribe for new videos and do hit that like button down below. You can follow Flamboyant Flavors on Instagram as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.